Share to a friend and make a friend share to a friend.
Welcome everyone. Today,
Delicious Delights YouTube channel.
so I have about 2 pounds of
Delicious Delights.
and 1 cup of candied sugar,
Subscribe.
3/4 cup
To share,
of
like,
brown
and
sugar,
comment.
and
Delicious
I
Delights
have
YouTube
salt,
channel.
1 stick of
Come along, everyone.
orange,
You know
and I
what
will
DD
use
make all of the
one
good
orange
juice, them
in
all of
this
the good
recipe.
food, them.
Over
Blend up
here I
strong
have
back.
vanilla,
You been looking for a
ground
perfect cooking
nutmeg,
YouTube channel. Well,
cinnamon,
share it up, cause this a the right one.
essence.
Oh, no, wait for now. Me, I get
And
1
I
second.
also
Share
going
the
to
video,
be
man.
adding
Make DD a
1/4
subscriber.
teaspoon
Millions.
of ginger.
Mama, everything always clean and neat in a
So I
DD
went
kitchen.
ahead and I
Delicious
cut the
Delights.
yams
Hold up,
up
you
camera,
have
so
Take
now
it
I'm
from
going
here.
to
Straight
show you how I'm going to cut the yams. Now you don't really have any special way to cut the yams. You can cut them in any size of your choice. Okay?
DD Kitchen have the best chefs I ever known. Delicious Delights always have fun. Watch DD blend up the
I'm gonna go
beverage
about that
them.
inch.
Oh, them just different. Share to a friend and make a friend share to a friend. Share.
Okay guys, so I finished cutting the yams. So let's move over to the stove and get straight into this video. So I'm putting my 1 stick of butter to melt. Okay, here I'm adding now brown sugar. 1 sugar. And I'm adding 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Give this a little stir. This is the sweet candy I'm making for the yams. Here I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I will be adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of nutmeg essence. Adding my ginger. I'm going to mix this in. Okay guys, so let's check the candy yams. Wow, the aroma is beautiful up in here. Oh my goodness, look at that guys. Look at that syrup. Wow, so I'm going to use a toothpick to test it to see if the yam is soft and nice. Wow, see? The yam is cooked. My toothpick went straight through it, as you can see. Yes, so nice and soft. Okay guys, so I'm going to move my yams to my baking pan, and I'm going to allow my syrup to thicken up some more, and then I'm going to pour my syrup all over my sweet yams. Look at my candy guys. Aroma is nice. The kitchen smells beautiful. Here you have it guys, my sweet candy tastes great. Put it on your Thanksgiving table. Yes, make it at home for your families. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, comment underneath the video, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel, touch my post notification bell so you will be notified on my next upload. So all my new subscribers, I welcome you guys with a warm welcome. I thank you so much for subscribing. Thanks a lot to everyone who supports. Again guys, take care of yourselves, put God first in everything that you're doing, be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others, and I'm going to see you again in another video.